Hello, planning to buy a new washing machine but confused about which one would suit your needs? Let me make it easy for you. Meet LG's super cool top-load washing machine that is loaded with features to give you complete convenience and peace of mind. LG's AIDD not only detects the weight of the laundry but also senses the fabric's type with the help of AI and precision of direct drive technology. Based on the huge data of accumulated washing experiences, AIDD offers the most optimized washing pattern from 20,000 wash patterns for every load to take good care of your laundry. You know, LG washing machines use a combination of 6 motions based on hand washing to wash your clothes. Simply choose a cycle and your machine selects the best combination of washing motions to give you an outstanding wash while also caring for your clothes. Furthermore, with LG's TurboWash feature, you can wash your favorite dress in just 39 minutes. And you know what? LG's TurboDrum gives you a super powerful wash by creating a strong water stream with the drum and pulsator rotating in opposite directions. It tackles even the toughest dirt with ease. Pretty amazing, right? And the best part about this washing machine is its LG ThinQ with Wi-Fi. This app helps you control and monitor the machine and makes laundry more convenient. All in all, LG's top-load washing machine gives you zero stress and complete comfort. So what are you waiting for?